Oh my God, it is literally freezing outside. I think it's like, this morning when I left for work, it said it was like 4 degrees, feels like -6 or something. I don't know. It's freezing. But anywho, I just got off of work. I want to do like a little weekend vlog. I do have to work this weekend, but the hours are always super short on the weekends, and a lot of times they let me go home early. So right now I'm getting off. I'm waiting for my car to warm up, and then I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna meet my husband there and then get ready for the gym, and then we'll go get a workout in. I typically, like during the week, like I like to get my workouts in before I leave for work. But the gym doesn't open until 7 on the weekends, and I have to be at the hospital before 7. So I obviously cannot work out before I go to work. So I had to wait today. But I'm gonna get home, get dressed, and go get a workout in, and then I think we might need to go get groceries because we have this like winter storm coming, and everyone's freaking out that it's gonna lock down everything. We do live like 2 minutes from the grocery store, so I don't think that we would ever be in a situation where we couldn't go get food if we needed it. But I had ordered it yesterday because I didn't want to go to the store after work. So I had it ordered, and then like it just got canceled for some reason, and now it says like I can order it for tomorrow, and I'm like, well, tomorrow is the winter storm, so probably no one's gonna want to go get our groceries for us, so we're just gonna go get a couple of things. We don't need a ton because we're actually leaving on a trip on Monday night, and we won't be back till Wednesday night. So I'll probably just get the rest of our groceries when we come back so we don't have a lot of food waste. So we'll get a workout in, we'll go get some groceries. And then tonight we have date night with it's like the Devour Indie thing going on, where all these restaurants are showcasing their specialty menus and doing like 3-course meals or whatever. So we're going to Rosemary and Olive, which I've never been to. I'm very excited about it. So we'll get all dressed up, we'll brave the storm. If it's snowing by then, we'll see. Then I work again tomorrow, but again, it shouldn't be super long. And then we have the winter storm, so we'll probably just cozy up inside, have some hot chocolate, maybe watch a movie. We'll see. For dinner, and I think I'm going to wear this, like, it's like a turtleneck bodysuit, and then I have this really cute skirt. Oh my god, I just snapped that hanger. Oh. Okay, anywho, I have this really cute skirt. I thrifted this, like, you can see it. I thrifted this, I don't know, a long time ago, but it's very cute. And I've been very into like the like long skirt, tall boot combo. So that's what I'm gonna do. With these boots, which are actually like vintage. These were my mom's when she was in college, and I love them. So I'm going to do these, and then maybe this belt, I haven't decided. I don't know if, like, I don't know. I might need it to like tie everything together, might not, we'll see. happy Sunday. I just got off of work and I'm about to head home. But as you can see, it snowed a ton. So it's going to take me a little bit to get home. And also because it snowed so much, the gym is closed. So I'm not going to be able to go get a workout in. But that's okay. I'm ready to go have a cozy day inside and enjoy the snow. And also I'll probably go outside and shovel the snow because I actually love being in the snow. I don't love to drive in it. So I'm going to be careful getting home. But I do love to shovel and just be out and play in the snow. So I'm going to do that when I get home. And otherwise I'm just going to sit by the fire, be cozy. And that's about it.